ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 82 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 8. ಬಾಣಂ ನಾನಾಯುಧೋಗ್ರಂ ಪುನರಭಿಪತಿತಂ ದರ್ಪದೋಷಾದ್ವಿತನ್ವನ್ ನಿರ್ಲೂನಾಶೇಷದೋಷಂ ಸಪದಿ ಬುಭುಧುಷಾ ಶಂಕರೇಣೋಪಗೀತಃ ತದ್ವಾಚಾ ಶಿಷ್ಟಬಾಹು ದ್ವಿತಯಂ ಉಭಯತೋ ನಿರ್ಭಯಂ ತತ್ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ತಂ ಮುಕ್ತ್ವಾ ತದ್ದತ್ತಮಾನೋ ನಿಜಪುರಮಗಮಃ ಸಾನಿರುದ್ಧಃ ಸಹೋಷಃ. Word by word meaning. Darpa doshat, because of the defect of arrogance. Punaha abhipatitam, who attacked again. Nana yudhogram, who was ferocious, having various kinds of weapons. Banam, bana. Nirlunashesha dosham, nirluna, cut off. Ashesha, all. Dosha, hands or defects. One whose hands were all cut off or whose defects were all removed. Vitanvan, making. Sapadi, immediately. Bubudusha, Shankarena, by Lord Shiva, who realized that he and thou were the same in essence. Upagitaha, being praised. Tadvacha, at his Shiva's request. Tatpriyamtam, him Bana, who was devoted to him Shiva. Ubhayataha, Shishtabahu Dvitayam, who was left with 2 arms on each side. Nirbhayam Muktva, letting him off, free from fear. Tad Dattamanaha, being honored by him Bana. Saniruddhaha, along with Aniruddha. Sahoshaha, and with Usha. Nijapuram agamaha, thou didst go to thy city Dwaraka. Full meaning. Because of his arrogance, Bana attacked thee again ferociously with all his weapons. Thou didst cut off all his hands except 2 on each side, or didst make him free from all defects. Immediately thou wert praised by Lord Shiva, who realized that he and thou were the same in essence. At Lord Shiva's request, thou didst let off Bana, who was left with only 2 arms on each side. Thou wert then honored by Bana and didst leave for thy city Dwaraka along with Aniruddha and Usha. Om Tat Sat.